I've been waiting so long to get this project completed, you know. Big up to Team Jamaica Bickle. We're here to create some history. Ready to go? We're ready to go. I think that
the last minute glitches.
I've been waiting so long to get this project completed, you know. Big up to Team Jamaica Bickle. We're here to create some history, you know. Big up to everyone from the Caribbean. Big up to Erwin Clear for making all of this possible. I salute you. Bless up yourself. Erwin Clear, thank you so much, man. This is for giving us the opportunity and the platform to make history with Team Jamaica Bickle. And I want to big up all the volunteers, big up everyone who had a part to do with this. Big up to everybody. It's amazing. It's a great feeling to see Caribbean people come together. And we're here at the Penn Relays, you know?
Going straight 49.82.
Respect. So you're gonna be touching down inside the stadium here?
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're ready. So my brother there and the whole road international family there. So, yeah, if we're ready, man, the Jamaica.
Speedy World in fifth.
Ready. It's a big deal.
You know.
Yeah,
you know.
Respect, man. The other day I see your video in the show and you're not working, man. You're dancing with the crowd, man.
Yeah, man. What they are set up, you know?
As soon as you hear, he's gonna go after the last race. He's gonna make a little announcement. We're ready. But as soon as he's finished talking,
Talking at the parents, so anything without making noise.
We're now in front of the scoreboard. 137.72 so far for Salisbury.
Energized. You know, the sound system is called hyper, not hyper. Hyper, so I'm feeling hyper. I'm excited. I cannot believe that we were able to pull this off. And so I actually spoke to Randy, the guys that are in charge. We're having it again next year. And next year, Penn Relays is going to rearrange the schedule to make the women's 4x100 race the last race of the evening. So that is good because then we'll have our people staying. As you can see, person started leaving, yeah. So, but next year everybody will stay. So I am ready. Are you ready? Okay. We're all ready. DJ Roy is queued up and we're going. All right. Of course, my pleasure.
Let's go stretch. All Jamaicans, where you flag there? Where you rock there? Where you flag there? Hop there, hop there, hop there, hop there, hop there.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try keep moving so we can't fly out. But when we there, yeah, nothing nice like Jamaica. Respect fruit and banana.
Where the flag them there?
Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Looking at the river when me ready for peace. No boy can't buy me. People foreign minded, now you compare to Jamaica.
Sing!